Well, we are here. We are at the campsite.
Yeah.
Hold on, I've got it written here. Coniston Park Coppice.
Yeah.
Because I'm pretty bad with names.
Yeah, you are. You're not very good.
It's about 7 p.m. 6 p.m. It's up 6 p.m.
It's 6 p.m.
It's 6 p.m.
Tuesday. It took us.
Quite a few hours to drive.
Yeah,
up
we
here.
left the house at about 9 a.m. We stopped at my mum's for an hour.
Yeah.
And we stopped at McDonald's for a little bit as well.
But we got our map and we got our keys. And we need to follow the directions that the lady gave us after we checked in. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Okay, we're fine. And we need to go to our pod.
Yeah.
Our glamping pod, which is what we're gonna be doing this, I'm gonna say weekend, it's not a weekend.
No.
It's Tuesday.
We're here for 3 nights and we thought we'd try something different, so we're gonna try a glamping pod and we're gonna let you guys know all about it.
Alright, so let's follow the road and go to the glamping pod.
Let's check in.
Let's go. So we're here, she circled it for us. And then we need to follow this road
Yeah.
and end up in here.
Okay.
And then she said once you get here, basically on the other page, it shows you where it is. And that one is us, right there. Yeah, so it should be easy. We're here. We need to go in there.
Oh, like a key fob.
Alright, let's go. I think I hurt my back.
Gonna get a cramp.
I stretched too much. Which way? Up this way? I have no idea. No, let's... Oh, I don't know. So
Yeah.
we just went past the barrier. We're gonna go up that way?
No.
How are we lost already? We haven't even moved 20 meters.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we're gonna follow it around. We're gonna follow it around this way. Alright, let's try it that way. Oh no.
No, it was up there.
No,
wasn't
we
it?
messed up. It was that way. It doesn't matter. We'll do it. Alright, and she said ours is the second to the right. It's called Kite. So what do we have here? Bittern. And that's ours. Kite. Here we are.
As you can see, I am very excited to get into our glamping pod and have a good look around. So, to start with, Experience Freedom are really good. They provide absolutely everything for you. This glamping pod, you could sleep 4 people. As you go in, there's like a bunk bed on the right and then a sofa, which also turns into a bed. And then the main sofa on the left folds down into a double bed as well. And now there's also a kitchen round here and a bathroom with a shower. Very luxurious. They really provide you with absolutely everything you need in the kitchen. Microwaves, toasters, kettles, knives, utensils. There's a dual burning hob and a tap which gives hot and cold water. They thought of absolutely everything in this glamping pod, including a little barbecue kit that you can use on those summer nights. And there's even this cute little welcome pack with coffee and hot chocolate and biscuits in as well. They did a very good job with making sure you've got everything you need for your stay. Outside, there is a table and a barbecue and a parasol for warmer nights maybe. This little booklet gives you a guide to absolutely everything you need to know to enjoy your stay, about the site, about the local area, and about the pod itself.
After we had settled in, we went for a short walk to a local dog-friendly pub called the Ship Inn. We had some really lovely food here and met some friendly locals, but one lady was a little bit crazy. After dinner, we walked back through the sheep fields and Bella made some new friends.
Yeah. Nice hot chocolate in bed.
Nice.
Yeah. This isn't camping at all, is it?
No.
Very luxurious.
Good morning. Oh, stereo. It's our second day here. We had an alright night's sleep. It's always difficult when you sleep in a new bed for the first time.
Yeah, I was a little bit cold, which was surprising because I was thinking if I was in a tent right now, I'd just have to deal with it. But luckily, our glamping pod has heating.
Got up, turned the heating on, problem solved.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's great.
Very luxurious.
So we're going over to the little shop they have here on site
Yeah.
to get some items for breakfast.
Yes.
Get some eggs and stuff like that. So, morning.
We've already had a coffee and a hot chocolate in bed, haven't
Yeah, that was pretty great.
we? This is like, we're spoiling ourselves.
Yeah, it's gonna be difficult when we go back to tent camping and hammock
Yeah, we'd be
camping.
like,
We won't be able to turn the heating on. It's not gonna be great. But we're enjoying it now.
Bella slept in the bed for us though. She did not sleep on her bed.
Yeah,
at all.
I'm not sure about that for the second night.
Ooh,
Oh dear,
sorry.
oh dear, oh dear.
I'm being tangled with you.
Oh, she's just chasing you. She's chasing you. Okay, and just step out of the circle. You need to step out of the circle.
Once you're out, you're out. There's no coming back.
Well, I would definitely like to stay inside the circle.
Okay, I made it.
What are we doing today, Evan?
What are we doing today? We're gonna go up Mount Everest.
We're gonna scale a mountain.
Mount Vesuvius. Which one? What is it called?
Old Man Coniston.
Oh, okay, pretty close.
Which for us is the biggest mountain. What, is it a
West.
mountain?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a mountain.
In our eyes, it's a mountain.
So yeah, we're gonna try and climb a mountain, which I feel a little bit apprehensive about.
It'll be fine. It's not even raining or snowing or anything. It's gonna be great.
Right, we're
Right.
at the shop.
We're here at the shop and we're gonna go in and see what they have. Just behind me there. Let's go in and explore.
Okay, so I've got some supplies. I've got some butter, some Country Cure back bacon, yeah.
Oh, that looks good. That's gonna
It does, right? Like
Yeah.
it's made in Cumbria. Baps. And then what's in this box? You need to check that they're, yeah,
They're eggs, right?
they're all eggs.
Yeah. Cool.
All eggs. So let's go make some bacon and egg baps.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Now I realise I'm using a lot of butter here, but this was the first time using the pan to cook on and I didn't want anything to stick to it. We're basically deep frying bacon at this point, but trust me, it's gonna taste good. The glamping pod does have hobs, so I could have cooked in there, but I wanted to try out the Robins and I want to be outside. So hopefully it's all going to be very tasty. Plus, it gives us a good excuse to use our Robins and give it a really good test run. If you're interested in how the Robins Storm Cooker cooks, we're doing a good review of it this year and we'll post that on our YouTube channel later, so if you're interested, look out for it. Oh yeah, this bacon looks good now, even Bella wants some. You'll have to excuse my concentration face here. It's a stressful time cracking open eggs.
This is a good breakfast, Pop. Egg is still a bit runny. Bacon is warm and cooked well. I like it. After breakfast, we took a short drive to Old Man Coniston to attempt to climb it. Make sure you watch the next video to find out if we did it or not, or if you want to hear us make sheep noises and eat pizza.